One of the things that we have found to make every vacation a little more enjoyable is to go ahead and get the house cleaned before you leave, so you come back to a beautiful, warm, inviting space. So we've been spending the last 2 hours cleaning, and now at this point, everything's just about wrapped up. So now, I just need to clean up this mess. All right, that's way better. Now, I'm cleaned up. Just need to go ahead and get the camper hooked up, get all the gear in the camper, and we'll be rolling in no time. See you out there. Okay, it is October 15th. Where are we going, kids?
Camping!
Okay, do you know what the name of the park is?
No, Bigfoot Beach.
Bigfoot Beach State Park. Okay, we're off.
Don't forget the green sweater. Check out our site first, guys. You gotta see that. His video. Oh gosh. But you don't make
So as you can see, it's a pretty great site. It's site number 51. I know we liked this site a lot last time, and it was booked. And this time, we've got it. It's a huge site, probably one of the biggest sites you'll get at a state park. But nonetheless, it's very cool. The kids have already found all kinds of awesome trees to climb in. So hopefully that does not end up resulting in an emergency room visit.
And right now, come to this camera. What happened to you?
Step forward. Ooh, right in your face.
Guys,
Oh,
you got
okay.
sit and pick those off here.
Pick them off.
Come here, Owen. I'll help you.
Oh, as I speak. You have something in your eye already?
I got clipped in the eye.
Oh, see? It's been a half hour and already injuries. So, God be gracious to us this weekend so we don't have to depart early for emergency room care. Watch out, don't walk behind your mom.
Are you going to swing out or am I?
No, you're swinging in. Oh, ouch. Ow.
You look really handsome.
Thank you. All right, lower it out. Yep. What is that? Is it a parachute? Is it a backpack? Is it a survival kit? What's in it?
Water.
Wait, come closer. I want to see. Turn around. Wait, you're like a camel. Wait a minute. Do you think that's why they call it a camelback? Because you carry water like a camel in its hump? You're a man of few words.
For the first time.
Is that a yes or a no? I'm waiting.
Answer your dad.
Yes.
Thank you. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Ah. 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 Whoa. Oh. 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 Whoa. Ah. 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 Whoa. Ah. Ah. I don't know where they are, but I can hear them. I can hear them. There's kids. They're everywhere. Somebody help me. Send the help. Ah! Ah! I see them. I see them in the woods. Somebody help me. Good morning, everybody. What day is it? That's right. It is Miss Cheyenne's number 7. What are you laughing at? There will be no joy in this camper. What are you grinning at?
He touched me with his COVID hand.
COVID hands.
Oh! You're like the robot Chuck E. Cheese, but creepier.
Hi, wave. So they can see you out there. Ooh, they got a light flare. Hold on, I'm gonna come in this way. Go and wave.
This is me and Cheyenne's hideout.
Push. Push. What I'm gonna do is, in case you haven't learned, show you real quick how to secure the straps and how to settle in the hammock for your enjoyment. It was fun learning how to do that with the hammock, and now all this learning has whipped up my appetite, and luckily my wife's been working hard and we have some broccoli cheddar soup. What's this?
I hate that.
But what are we having that you like? Fluffernutter.
Fluffernutter. Fluffernutter sandwiches.
Why voice he has
It is Cheyenne's birthday today, actually, October 16th, and we're camping. And so she wanted a lot of like discovery, survival, adventure gear. So we've got that for her, but we're going to hide it
around the campsite.
around the campsite and then come up with little clues and riddles. So that will be fun. Let's get the table cleared off. I'll lay out all the presents so you can see what we're gonna hide, and then we'll show you where we hide them. Because these are the items we're hiding, and we need to come up with riddles. So we have a travel first aid kit. We have some hand warmers. We have a monocular. We have a pen light. We have some survival paracord and a survival fanny pack to carry it all in, or most of it. So we got the first one done, and it's the first aid kit. And the riddle is, for boo-boos, owies, scrapes, and scar, this kit can be found near our car. So we're gonna go hide it where the car is going to be parked. So the next item is these little heat packs. And so the riddle is, these little things can warm your rump. So seek for them at the base of a stump. And there's a stump over here.
Right here.
All right, guys. Where do we hide them? We can hide them maybe at the face, or we can maybe hide them right inside. I'd say maybe right inside here, like right here. This is some 550 paracord. And so this is a longer riddle. It says this can make knots and things, and also sometimes is called string. It's hidden where firewood is lit, so do some searching near the pit. Next item is this, a fanny pack. And so the riddle goes, you want to read it?
This tiny pack keeps things clean and neat and you might just
Find it.
find it nearby your seat, our
Okay.
seat.
So we're gonna go move all of our camping chairs into a pile farther at the back of the campground and see if she can find them. So, come on boys, we need your help to move some chairs. Okay, moving on, we have the the coast flashlight. And so the riddle is, this blinding tool leads you through the night. Its location is near the numbered site. So, that's right, let's go. Okay, so the final item is her monocular. It's like a binocular, but only one, monocular. This is the riddle. This thing is made of glass and rubber. It helps to keep our things in sight. To find this tool, one must look up above the hammock's straps pulled tight. So now we're going to, and then this is interesting because we have 2 hammocks in 2 different places. So she's gonna have to go 2 places, or maybe she'll choose the right one first. But we're gonna choose the hammock that's over there
She can climb.
because there's a tree that they climb. So we're gonna go hide that and hang it in the branches of the tree that she can climb, make her climb and work for it because it's the most expensive part of her gift. So let's go do that. So there's one hammock and here's the other. So let's see, you're gonna climb it up there? Yeah, that little one, if you can break it, just break it and leave like 10 inches or so. Ooh, is it too wet? Okay, what about that other little one right next to it?
This one?
Yeah.
That's what you do.
No, you can be able to break that though. It's small enough. Not that one, the little one. Split the difference, the tiny one.
I know, that's the first one.
No, dude, that one. The little one.
Oh, this one?
Yes, yes. Gosh, break it. There you go. Now hang this from there. All right, so you're gonna hang it, make sure it's on there good. All right, now she's gonna have to work for it. Perfect, now climb on down.
She's gonna be here soonish, so see you when she's here.
We have some items for you. And we understand you want to do some adventure stuff. So part of the adventure is you have to hide and seek all of your gifts that we've hidden around the campsite. I'm going to read you a riddle for each item, and then you must use that riddle to find where your gift is. Are you excited? Are you ready to play?
And that's what your backpack is for. As you find them, you can put the stuff in your backpack.
So here's your first riddle. For boo-boos, owies, scrapes, and scars, this kit is found nearby the car.
Go look for it.
Don't get ahead of her.
And let her look. Do
Mommy,
not, Emmett, back
Stay
up.
back by mommy.
Back up. Doesn't mean it's right by the car, but it's near it. Emmett.
It's not out of the campsite. It's in the campsite. Look in every direction.
You know what you're looking for?
Not really.
It's a kit for boo-boos, owies, scrapes, and scars. This kit is found nearby the car. You're very warm.
Yeah.
So in case anybody forgot, gift number 1 is the medic pack. And it's hidden, of course, right here at the camper tongue by the battery. Warm, warm. Oh, you're like looking at it.
Just did look at it.
You looked at it.
You're just looking at it again.
Looked for a little cross.
Oh, there it is. She saw it.
So you know what's inside there.
What?
There's some Band-Aids and some tweezers and some medical gauze and some little tiny magnifying glass for pulling out splinters. All right, so that goes in your bag, and then we'll move on to gift number 2. Ready for riddle number 2? Are you having fun so far? Good. Riddle number 2. This is used for knots and things, and also is sometimes called string. It's hidden where firewood is lit, so do some searching near our pit.
You're steaming.
Let's see it. Let's see it. That is 550 paracord string. That's the real stuff. That ain't no joke, sister. These little things can warm your rump, so seek for them nearby a stump.
Dad, she knows all the spots. Those are hand warmers.
This tiny pack keeps goods organized and neat, and one might be wise to look by our seats. Our seats.
He's just saying where the seats are.
If you have any side.
Hey! A fanny pack. Young lady, your fifth riddle. This blinding tool guides you in the night. It's located near our numbered site.
Steamed. Steamed.
Hey, do you remember what the riddle was? Do you know what you're looking for?
This blinding tool guides you in the night, and one might look by the numbered sight. It's a blinding tool that guides you in the night. What are you looking for? What do you use to lead you? Aha! This is so fun.
One more.
This is made of glass and rubber. It helps to keep far things in sight. To find this tool, one must look up above where the hammock straps are tight.
Bush. Bush.
Boys, come out of there. Thank you. I'll read it again. This is made of glass and rubber. It helps to keep far things in sight. To find this tool, one must look up where the hammock straps are tight.
That doesn't mean it will be in the same tree that it's in, though.
In the area, and you must look up.
Up behind you.
No. Stop. It's okay if it takes her a minute.
It's gotta work for this one.
Ooh, she's gotta work for it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, snap.
I can see the
Oh,
side.
wait, Emmy.
Just do it. Don't drop.
It's fine.
Oh, I don't know. Take it out. You
Okay,
can take
take
it
it
out.
out.
I don't know what it is.
It's a monocular instead of binocular.
It's basically
And
a
look through that.
telescope.
Look through that.
You make believe you're someone else and get into character with dress up. To find this last and final gift, look in the place we store ketchup.
Is it cold or hot when you get it?
Then where do we keep the cold soap?
Okay, Owen, move. What's different?
What's that? Open it.
Do you
It's,
recognize
uh,
it? What is it?
It's an answer.
It's an ansu.
That's right. Happy birthday, kiddo.
We love you.
Love you.
Big 7-year-old.